Today is one of the most important days in the calendar at St Edmund Campion Primary in Maidenhead. The school calls it the G11 Summit, when all classes meet to exchange knowledge and views about sustainability and the environment. The teaching and learning, however, goes on every day.
What I want to get across to schools is that it's very easy to embed it into their curriculum. They do lots of it all the time anyway. It's just about making sure that it's done overtly and that the children know what they're doing. So I'd say to any school, just go for it.
The school has introduced a series of what are called green doorways, which all pupils have to enter as they go through school.
I know a lot of people do it through themed weeks, but we do themed year. So for example, Year 1 study food and drink, Year 2 do school grounds and environment, Year 3, 4 do more. One class does global citizenship, another one does travel and traffic, and another does energy. In the upper juniors they study waste, water, and another group does travel and traffic as well.
You take a card out, there's different types of cards in there telling you what to do, and try and do that for the rest of the week.
Parents are also invited to find out what their children have learned through the doorways.
They were saying, why do we need to buy pineapples? Could we do without pineapples? You know, why do we need to fly them from halfway across the world and have them?
Green themes are adopted whenever possible during the day. This musical production is all about saving the rainforests.
The children are learning huge amounts about the effects of pollution and things on the rainforest. Through singing and through the dancing as well. It's a fantastic opportunity for the children to demonstrate their care for the environment through lots of different areas of the curriculum.
What have you learned?
There's lots of different creatures in the rainforest and they're becoming extinct. We've learned about some of the tribes that live in the rainforest as well.
Other green activities include tending the school vegetable patch, which is fertilised by the school compost bins and wormery. This high nutrient liquid is otherwise known as wormwee.
I think what makes it different really is that all the children are involved and they're involved in every stage of the gardening process. So we purchase seeds, they plant the seeds, they're involved in the composting and watering them, and then also selling the produce that we have.
It's healthy than other food that are just being made by machines, and it also means that it doesn't have to be carried on the road.
The school's eco group wants to expand produce output by getting a greenhouse.
This is a greenhouse that has been made at a local school from plastic bottles. So could I ask you to ask the rest of the children in your class whether they agree this is a good idea?
How important is it that schools swap ideas?
It's really important because we found that we've done a lot of our own ideas, and now it's great to share what we've done so that other children and other schools can learn, but also to get fresh ideas so that we can keep going.
The Eco Group oversees the school's sustainability efforts, including Carbon-Free Fridays. Meetings are also attended by a governor with specific responsibility for promoting green policies.
We thought we had to really show that we're taking this topic very seriously. So we had the governors for all sorts of other aspects of the school, and why not have a sustainability governor whose role it is to really push forward these efforts that we're making as a school.
This is the school's sustainability showpiece, the nursery and reception building. It's heated by a system that draws warmth from the ground, and other features include insulation made of recycled material and plenty of glass to let in natural light.
And just last week we received a grant from BAA to give us money to pay for the solar panels, and that will be the last thing that we can install, so I really feel as if we've made it.
Why is it so important to you?
I'm educating these children here, and in 20, 30, 40 years' time they're going to turn around and say, what were they thinking of that they didn't tell us that the world was in danger? So I don't do it because I want to scare the children, I do it because I want to empower them so that they feel they can make a difference